Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl ear, nose, and brow lighted trimmer 5546-200. So far works great, had other types before, but this one seems to work the best, hope it lasts, and don't have any problems. Came with some small plastic attachments, one of which was so small it snapped off, and went down the drain. Not sure why you would need a light on it. But then again, why do you need a light on your vacuum cleaner? This trimmer is great. It provides the kind of service one would expect from a company like Wahl. It is a little wide to do a good job on the nose, but it is great on the eyebrows. The older you get, the more that is a problem. Very quick, and easy to have on your bathroom vanity for some quick manscaping. It does not do a very good job at all of getting the little nose and ear hairs. Not all attachments that were shown on box were in the package. Otherwise a very capable product, and versatile product. It would be better if the cutter head was a little longer, long enough to reach deep into ears and nose, but short enough not to reach the eardrum. There are not a lot of options for this process, so the 5546 is an okay choice. What exactly can you say about a nose and eyebrow trimmer? It works, and it's exactly as advertised. The eyebrow clipper works, but the little Plastique comb attachment doesn't fit on very good. Can't find this in the store anymore. It is actually better quality than the old version. A good looking design, and does a good job on the nose and ear hairs. The simple nature of the trimmer in a single horizontal plane makes it better than those which have angled heads. Its great long battery life does a good job, like all the attachments, and the ease of cleaning it. It was not the cutter, but the motor, since the sound was the same with the cutting head removed. The attachments are easy to switch, and so far the product seems to be living up to the Wahl expected brand name. Tickles a little, but other than that no discomfort, and it does a great job trimming those pesky hairs. Holds a charge for a long time, easy to clean, and when you are done, it makes you feel good. Wished it would have come with a holding case, but a clear makeup bag works as well. Unit seems a bit lightweight, and the trimmer guard is hard to fit onto the trimmer. The trimmer works pretty good. The light really doesn't do me much good, but it may for some. Additionally, the blades on the trimmer are too far apart, which makes it really tough to get a close trim. The switch is so hard in this one, and it doesn't cut the nose hair cleanly. It does what it is supposed to do, and is easy to operate and maintain. Wish you could get quality products, and didn't have to keep purchasing junk and throwing them away. Works great. The only thing that could be changed is the batteries need to lithium-ion, otherwise it's great. Wasn't expecting much for the price, but was expecting something better with the Wahl name. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.